Hello everyone, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ and I'm very excited to introduce the latest addition to the Focus series. Welcome the Focus Flex. Now as you might assume in the name, Flex, we wanted to be as flexible as possible with the features that this fixture offers. So first of all, as you can tell, it's a moving head wash fixture. Now we went a little bit further than just offering another wash. In fact, the zoom on this fixture can go as tight as 4 degrees, which is going to give you a very tight, narrow, defined aerial beam that's just going to look awesome on your stage. Now in addition, it can zoom out as wide as 31 degrees, which will cover a very large portion of your stage with very even, vibrant color. And as you can tell, not only did we not stop there, we gave you full pixel control. Now let's talk about the LEDs. This fixture offers 7 40-watt RGBW LEDs. That's right, that's 280 watts of power from this little fixture. Now when I say little, I'm comparing it to the size of this bottle of water here. Obviously this is really compact and it's going to be very easy to put in various spots on your stage. In addition to that, this fixture is very fast. So you can imagine how flexible this is going to be with offering your pixel control for your eye candy effects, your beam effects for any sort of aerial stage, and then of course you've got a very wide wash. Now we didn't stop there, we added some fun features that make this a little bit more flexible as well. We also have a variable tunable white channel that will go ahead and pre-mix different color temperatures of white for you within the fixture. So that's right. You can get your 3K, your 5K, your 6K, any type of white that you need to illuminate maybe front faces or just general objects on stage, you've got it built in. We also went a little further with the DMX attributes to give you a couple features where you can have a background effect, which is you can have an effect running in one color, and then you can have a foreground effect, which is using the pixels to do a separate color, all built in. Or of course you can use it in the extended channel mode and have full control over the pixels with any sort of pixel mapping software that you choose to use. Last thing guys, we also gave you a Virtual CMY mode. That's right. So we've built an algorithm inside that even though this is an additive RGBW color mixing wash, you can actually work with this and patch it into your controller as a CMY fixture. That means it will work with other fixtures in your rig exactly the way that a CMY fixture would, which is going to make it much easier for using color palettes that go across your entire rig. So again guys, this is the Focus Flex from ADJ.